In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Calendly to your website, allowing your visitors to schedule meetings directly from your site. This is a great way to streamline your scheduling process and make booking appointments a breeze for both you and your clients. Let's get started. First, visit calendly.com. If you already have an account, you'll want to click on the Login button at the top right corner of the page. Enter your email address and then click Continue. Once you've done that, you'll be prompted to enter your password to access your account. This login process ensures that you have access to all the features and settings needed to integrate Calendly with your website. After logging in, you'll land on the Calendly homepage. Here, you'll want to select the event type you wish to embed on your site. This could be a one-on-one meeting, a team event, or any other custom event type you've created. Selecting the right event type is essential, as this will dictate what kind of meetings your visitors can book with you. Once you've chosen the event type, click on the Share button. From the options provided, select Add to Website. Calendly offers various embed options, such as an inline embed, a pop-up, or a pop-up widget, but for this tutorial we'll focus on the inline embed. The inline option will display the Calendly scheduler directly on a page, ensuring a seamless experience for your site's visitors. After selecting the inline option, click on Continue. This will generate the HTML code needed to embed Calendly into your website. You'll see a copy code button. Click this to copy the snippet to your clipboard. Now you're ready to add this code to your website. Navigate to your website's backend. In this demonstration, we'll be using Google Sites. Find the spot on your website where you want the Calendly scheduler to appear. Click into the area and then select Embed. From here you should see an embed code option. Go ahead and select it. Paste the code you copied earlier into the provided box and click Next. Once you've done this, you'll click Insert, and the Calendly scheduler should now appear embedded on your website. At this stage, you might want to make any necessary adjustments to ensure it fits well within your site's design and layout. Don't be afraid to tweak its size or position until it looks just right. And there you have it. Calendly is now seamlessly integrated into your website, making it easy and convenient for visitors to book meetings with you. By following these steps, you've enhanced your website's functionality and streamlined your scheduling process, setting both